Hello everyone, welcome back to another Chit Chat live session of the show. My name is Rashi Malik and I'm going to be the host of today's session. And today we have Kari Venkata Ravi Teja sir, who recently completed BIM 6-month advanced course certification from US and got an offer for a job from the industry. He completed his Bachelor of Technology Civil Engineering from Anil Nehru Konda Institute of Science and Technology. So we are really privileged to have you. So apart from this, you would like to add something in it?
No, yeah, thanks for a very good introduction.
Okay, so can we start with the questions then?
Yeah, fine.
Okay, so my first question to you is, what has your overall development been after joining Protrainy? What all skills you gained after this advanced 6 months course?
Okay, so firstly, I was looking for this building information modeling course for around 3 to 4 months, right? In all other e-learning platforms, they were teaching it in a different ways. I mean, Revit architecture in a different course, then Revit structure in a different course, then coming to Navis work and different course, so rendering in a different course. So I was looking for it for such a long time. Then one day it came like Protrainy was already collaborated with our college, on its college. So a notification came up and I was very excited to see that, and the cost was very effective. I mean, if we take any course, BIM course, offline course in a high city like Hyderabad or Chennai or somewhere, so compared to those costs, the cost was effective also. And yeah, it was very, the course is very interactive basically, and the instructors are skillful, and they have good exposure to these other corporate world. And the course is very based. I'm based on how the outer corporate companies work, and how the I mean uh, how clients work with the companies and all. So overall, yeah, it was a good experience.
That's great. You had really good experience working with Protrainy.
Yeah. Yes.
So my next question to you is, does the company offer support for obtaining advanced degrees?
Come again? Sorry.
Does the company offer support for obtaining advanced degrees?
Yes, of course. This BIM course, basically, I'm planning for Masters in Construction Management. So this might help me in that. Basically, for a construction management, I might need all the construction drawings and how construction works and all. So obviously, this BIM is BIM technology is based for that construction management. So yeah, of course, the course is offering a good foundation for next advanced level innovations and advanced masters
Okay.
in different streams. Yes.
Okay. So basically, you got the site knowledge, like what you have to do and everything related to it.
Yes, actually, I have done a course on that. No, practically, I did not went to any site. I have done a small course on that. Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. So my next question to you is, where do you see yourself in next 5 years?
Okay, next 5 years.
Yeah.
I want to be a project manager in next 5 years in a good company. That too in US, United States of America.
That's great.
That's my plan for next 5 years.
Okay. May you do so for your plans and everything. All the best for that.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. What skill trainings have been implemented during the set period?
Okay. Firstly, we have introduced to this BIM concept. Then we have learned the modeling concepts, uh, rendering concepts, and also how construct. I mean, how this BIM technology works in other corporate world. Then three there are dimensions in BIM, so 3D, 4D, 5D, up to 5D. We have learned in this almost 6 months course, and yeah, I have implemented a lot of, 3 to 4 projects. I have done 3 to 4 projects, and I have incorporated this BIM concept in my own final year college project. And I'm also planning to publish a paper on that in comparison with BIM and estimation in conventional style. So yeah, I'm working on that for now.
That's nice.
Yeah.
So my next question to you is, what skill do you value the most and why?
Skill.
Yeah,
Hmm.
skills.
Which skill means I didn't get your question. Matlab,
Like any
what are
skills
you trying to ask?
professionally. No, I'm saying any
Pro-
skills professionally or generally you value the most.
Okay. I think communication skills are most important. I mean, apart from this technical knowledge and software knowledge and new innovation construction. Okay, if you are good with technology and technical knowledge, how can you, I mean, represent it? Yeah, it comes from communicational skills, right? So I believe that communication skills are most, I mean, most helpful in other ways. Yeah.
Yeah, I agree too. Like communication is really very important.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So after completing the advanced course, you have been landed to a job, the learnings,
Yes,
uh, which you did help you in the interviews.
yes. Come again. Sorry.
Okay, so I was saying you have completed your advanced course and you landed into a job.
Yes.
So your learnings helped you
Yeah,
in
yeah.
your interviews or not?
Okay, okay. Yeah, of course, it helped a lot. The introduction part of the course, mostly based on theory on all the concepts of Revit and BIM. So they were really helpful, and with those technological concepts, Revit concept and BIM concept, our instructor had provided us uh, different inputs from sites and different companies, and so all this helped me in that interview. Yes.
That's nice. So you would like
Yeah.
to give any advice for the upcoming civil engineers?
Okay. So yeah. Mm, I want. I want every civil engineer. Nowadays civil engineering is like no one is taking up civil engineering. Everyone is around IT, CSC, CE. So IT is booming right now, but uh, at the end of the day, civil engineers are civil engineers who build the world, right? So I want all students to know this. And civil engineering, yeah, I want everyone to concentrate on new technologies that can help India grow in their infrastructure and all. And this is the best concept BIM, and it is going to be booming in India for next 25 to 30 years. That is definitely sure. and then a new concept, a new software called Solibri, and Solibri is there. So yeah, I want them to uh, keep their concentration on new innovations and environmental friendly and sustainable development. Yes.
Okay, that's nice. So, would you recommend this opportunity to other people? Like, if yes, then according to you, what quality should they have already? Like, what quality should they have or should they pursue?
Okay, yeah, of course, I would recommend it. Uh, mm, Qualities, matlab, they just they must be a computer freak for this. I mean, they must know where where they can extract files from, where they can convert files from. So they must be for these softwares and all. They must be computer freak, and they must know their computers configurations and all. Then it's and good knowledge on drawings and all, construction drawings. It would be easy for them to cope up with this course.
Okay, that's nice. So it was a really informative and insightful session for
Yeah.
me as well. So I got to know a lot,
Okay.
many things that personally I was not knowing actually.
Okay, great.
Yeah, so thank you, sir, for joining the session. It was really great to have you on board.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you so much for all your cooperation, and thank you very much for Protrainy for giving me this industry-ready training and giving me a lot of knowledge. And I personally thank Alaman Sari sir for uh, sharing his own knowledge to students and all. Yeah, thank you very much, Protrainy. Yeah,
Thank you, sir, for your
yeah,
time.
yeah. No problem. Yeah.